Today, I'm going to share with you a series of new exciting summer drinks. You can make these drinks at home, or if you have a cafe, you can add this to your menu. I would normally call these drinks sparkling drinks or Italian soda, but in keeping up with the trend that is now going on, popularized by Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts and the like, I am going to call this summer energizers. Stick around until the end, but before that, click that subscribe button. To make these drinks exciting today, I'm going to add popping boba, so it's definitely very energizing and it will give you a boost of energy. I'm going to make 3 different types of drinks, but then the preparation method will all be the same. I'm going to make peach, watermelon and lychee flavor. For this, the ingredients will be just the syrup and also soda water, so this will make it fizzy. And I will have a matching popping boba for each one of them. All the recipes will be in the largest cup, 20 ounces, 20 to 22 ounces. Let's start with the first drink, watermelon burst. I'm going to use my watermelon syrup here, and then we're going to mix it with our strawberry popping boba. So it's not a watermelon popping boba, watermelon syrup. This one is 30 ml. Into this, I'm going to just add a little bit of my soda water. Stir. This is just to bring that layer up. I'm going to need a lot of ice here. Soda water, fill it to the top, popping boba on top. Garnish it with a slice of watermelon there, fresh watermelon. And this is my watermelon burst energizer. Next drink, it is going to be peach pop. And for this, I'm going to use my peach syrup at the bottom, and then just a little bit of the soda water. Stir. Now we're going to add ice. Top it up with your soda water. And we are going to top it up with our peach popping boba. Peach popping boba, looking absolutely delightful here. My favorite color, orangey peach color. And now I'm going to just garnish this with a half slice of lemon. And this is my peach pop. For the final drink, I'm going to make Fizzy Lyi, and this is probably one of my new favorites. I like lychee, so we're going to assemble into our cup. Into this, I'm going to use the same amount of my lychee syrup. Follow it with some soda water. Stir. Add more of your soda water, not to the top. Lychee popping boba. And of course, because it is lychee, I am going to add 1 lychee on top. And this is what I call my Fizzy Lyi. Okay, so now I've made these 3 delicious drinks, and I'm going to name them all again. This is Gorgeous in Red, Watermelon Burst, and this one is my Peach Pop, peach color, my favorite color, which is orangish, and then finally is my Fizzy Lyi. It's just amazing that I have matching popping bobas here, except of course for watermelon, but anything red, gorgeous. Okay, so now I'm just going to try one of them, which is my favorite at this time. It should be quite similar because the recipe also very similar, preparation method similar, it's just the colors that are different. A little bit sweet for me, but if I'm looking for something energizing, this is definitely a go-to drink. I am loving this. On a side note, I would like to just share with you something that I read. According to a dietitian, if you would like to have these drinks, they are quite sweet, but if you'd like them to be a little bit healthier, all you need to do is to add more ice. So there you go. That's all I would like to share with you today. I hope that this video clip is useful and that you'll be able to surprise your friends and family with this absolutely gorgeous looking drinks. If you have any questions, as always, do let me know in the comment below. I always like to hear feedback from everyone, from all those that are subscribed to my channel, and for those that have not yet subscribed, click that subscribe button. Don't forget to check out my books, All Things Milk Tea and The Basic Barista, details on how to order in the description box below. I'll see you again for more of these video clips. In the meantime, stay safe, take care. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.